Forex trading operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week due to its global nature. Forex trading sessions are distinct time periods during which major financial markets around the world are actively trading currencies. These sessions are essential to understand because they can affect trading activity and volatility. There are 4 primary Forex trading sessions. Sydney session. This session starts at 10 p.m. GMT and closes at 7 a.m. GMT. It begins the trading week and is relatively quiet compared to other sessions, with the Australian dollar often being the most traded currency. Tokyo session. The Tokyo session begins at 12 a.m. GMT and ends at 9 a.m. GMT. It's characterized by the active trading of the Japanese yen and sometimes sees increased volatility when major economic data is released in Japan. London session. The London session is the most active, running from 8 a.m. GMT to 5 p.m. GMT. It's considered the center of the Forex market and typically sees the highest trading volumes. The British pound and the euro are heavily traded during this session. New York session. The New York session opens at 1 p.m. GMT and closes at 10 p.m. GMT. This session often overlaps with the London session, creating a period of high trading activity. The US dollar is the primary currency traded during this time.